Joe.
Alright, what the fuck is that thing?
That's my new air conditioner. Huh? You like it? Now I'm never gonna be hot in this room again. Well, I'm gonna be physically hot, but not, hot. What am I saying? Well, anyway, how do you...
Bitch. If anyone's gonna have a new air conditioner, it's me.
Hey guys, it's me, the creator of OrrAndJoe. I really did get a new air conditioner. There it is, yeah. The best air conditioner in the world. Now my room's not gonna be hot anymore. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice lot, yeah. Oh, and what the hell is this thing? It shows my new gun. Wonder what this does. Whoa, oh my god, my bad. Oh my god, that's Joe's special piece of glass. Oh no, he's gonna he's got me.
What the hell? You broke my glass, huh?
I didn't do it.
Okay, sorry, I'll bring you back to life now.
He brought me back to life. He's such a bitch. He thinks I actually did. He actually believes me. Die, Joe. Yeah. So yeah, this is a new gun that doesn't make its normal noises, a normal gun noise, because it's the power. It's a special gun, and I'm never gonna let Joe have this again. Yeah, he's just a bitch.